All right, we're back here with another video. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Getting some nice rain here. And we have an Xbox 360 here, so it's sitting on top of this Black & Decker microwave. So you probably already know where it's gonna be going, but yeah, it was only $7 as is. So someone was clearly a Monster fan, obviously. We got Boogie here.
Yeah.
As usual. So go check out his channel and check out Albinster69. So yeah, got this microwave here. Thankfully it survived the last time. It's currently raining now, so probably not the safest thing to be doing, but nevertheless we're gonna do it anyway. All right, so of course we had to go to Whataburger. But here we go.
Right.
So let's
Just
pop it in there. This was one of the later Xboxes, so really can care less. Fits nice and snug in there.
Yeah, it's perfect.
All right, how long do you think we should set? Probably a good amount of time, huh?
Let's start with 10 minutes.
Oops. I need to do the cook time. Okay, we're gonna stand back for this one.
Oh, sure.
There we go. Oh God.
Already.
So it's actually actual time, by the way, 3:30. Hopefully you guys can kind of see in there now with now that it's darker and rainy. I'm actually amazed it's not doing much. 30 seconds in. For now, but. So yeah, we do have the safety bucket, the safety fire hydrant, the safety hydrant, so.
Safety hydrant off
I hear something arcing in there now.
Really?
Like, this is,
I can hear something.
oh, I see smoke. I see smoke.
Oh, yeah.
Oh God.
There's not smoke on the inside.
Oh man, it's smoking fierce.
I think I see. Is there flames stuff there?
No, but I have a feeling it's gonna open. Oh God, look at that. We're probably the only idiots that have put a Xbox in a microwave, but
There's quite a bit of smoke coming from the top. I
yeah.
don't like how flying it is. But see, that's the scary thing. It's like quiet. And you never know if it just kaboom.
Yeah, that'll be prepared for anything. Oh God, there it is. There's fire.
I'm just thinking that's what's probably going to happen. It's just gonna
Do you think we should like kill it before it gets too hot?
It's up to you. We could, or we can just let it burn.
I don't know. What do you think?
Maybe let it go for a little bit.
I just really don't want it to kill the thermal switch. Oh God.
Oh, wow.
Smells just like burnt electronics.
Sheesh. Oh, wow.
I actually thought it was being a lot worse shape, but it's not.
Considering Xbox if you game too much.
Especially the first gens. These are, even though this was, I bet you 90% sure that this probably did work, but we didn't have the power cord to it. And two, we could have probably taken it to GameStop and got some more money for it. But
I think this is what happens if you try to run Cyberpunk on this Xbox. Just fucking explode.
let's just see here. See if we can flip it around or something. It's actually still intact on this side.
Flip it around and
That's the damage so far.
yeah, I guess that's the weakest point.
Let's flip it around like that. Okay, so you think we should have more time to it, or you think 5 minutes should be enough?
You gotta go for the remaining.
Okay.
Gotta let it go for the remaining. Oh. Something sounded right back there. Most of you guys can see on the camera.
You're arcing. Oh, there it goes again.
Sliding up a little bit. I think you try to run Cyberpunk on the Xbox 360.
Can't handle it.
Keeping the flame on, but yeah. This is the battery or the chip.
I thought we'd hear some capacitors for sure by now.
We haven't yet.
No?
We'll probably have to extend the time.
While it's going, because I feel like if you shut it off, it'll just shut off if it gets too. I just don't want this thing to come and explode in my luck.
So we're adding a fuck ton more time onto it. 14 minutes.
If it's gonna go, we might as well just let it go and see how long we can get it to last.
Exactly. There's something on the side of it.
Oh god, I hear arcing now. It's arcing up front.
There's so much smoke. You hear buzzing in the inside.
We already have it. By the time this timer expires, it'll be almost 20 minutes of this thing being on.
Flame on the left. Everybody has that bat that snores like that. It sort of sounds like it's snoring now.
Oh, there we go.
We got a long one noise and it's going up. Things are happening.
About time. No, someone's sleepy and they're snoring. Oh
It's
god.
staying consistent on the left, and it looks like it's making its way on the inside.
It's always towards when the time's getting ready to stop, then it.
Yeah, and then it does something exciting. I guess maybe we should just put out a fuck ton of time next time. Lots of smoke coming out the back, by the way.
I really hope we can incinerate this Xbox.
Thanks, Tony, if it still works. Definitely not, though. corner's gotten it the most. It's a real hot spot.
It's kind of spreading to the top a little bit. Oh god, it's like, hurry up and do something. A lot of flickering just around, but
So I'm stuck in the bottom for a minute. Like I said, looks like there's some flowing, but doesn't like want to start.
looks like they went out just now. I think it's done.
I don't think it is. Yeah, just check it out, man. The truth. Jesus. I like it opened up the top a little bit.
Wowzers. It's all nice and black in there now, but
Yeah.
I think the plastic's just warping because the metal's so hot. Let's see if we could somehow get this out of here.
Oh, Jesus. There's a big apart, yeah. Oh.
Oh wow, the whole thing's coming apart. Oh, you gotta be.
Yeah, that's what did it. It was gonna happen.
Somehow the monster sticker's still intact.
Shout out to them. There's the top part. Wow.
Oops. Oh man, it's like all glued. The whole casing just stuck in there.
Now you can see the motherboard, the fan.
It's actually in pretty good shape inside,
Yeah.
considering it wasn't too dusty of an Xbox. Oh, wow! Look at this plastic.
It's all gooped over. Look at the back, it looks like a symbiote from Spider-Man. I'll just keep it out. Wow.
Let's pull it up here. Well, so one capacitor got loose.
Dang. The motherboard is still somewhat decent shape for what it is.
Oh god, the disk drive shot.
Dang, the back is cooked.
That's the front, I think. Yeah, you know.
Looks like that little hard drive bay wants to come out.
That's the bottom.
Bottom's not too shabby.
Well, guess we'll smash the rest. All right, time to smash the Xbox, Angry Grandpa style. Rest in peace. I can hold it for you.
It's all good. I got it.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
There you go.
I'm going for the shit, man. It's under there somewhere.
It's under the heatsink.
This out of the way.
Man, there's really nothing to these new Xbox 360s versus the other versions. The other ones at least have a lot more into them. Rest in peace, CD-ROM.
So you flip it around and see if you can pop shit out.
There we go. It's tough. It's pretty tough, I gotta say. But not tough enough for us. Aww.
Well, I got the hard drive bay out.
You're destroying the Xbox like Psycho Dad.
Exactly.
McJuggernuggets would be so sad.
Alright,
I think you
why
can.
don't you get your turn?
Alright, well, here you go. You can grab a hold of that. Okay, go ahead. Good.
Yeah.
Gotta get those ports. Well, I got the hard drive here. So it's smashed. It's gonna work real good now. It's gonna work.
Oh, wow.
Well, there you go. There you have it. Okay. Also, just to end this video, we threw that little pencil sharpener in there, that little electric battery operated. Oh! Perfect end of the video, man. I got.
Holy shit. That pencil sharpener does more than the fucking Xbox.
Wow.
What are the odds?
Oh god.
Holy shit, bro. That did more than the Xbox.
This little tiny thing. That's it.
It has what, a battery in there or something?
No, it's just a little tiny motor.
You gotta sell some motor or something.
Well, anyway, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share, guys. And see you guys in the next one. Laters.